What if your most beautiful Christmas decorations were hiding in the recycling bin? Welcome to Grandma's Rustic Nest, where ordinary things become extraordinary holiday treasures. Today we're turning forgotten jars, cardboard, old sweaters, and thrifted pieces into elegant Christmas decor that looks expensive without the expensive price tag. These clever ideas prove that creativity, not money, creates a home filled with holiday magic. Start with something almost every home has, an empty glass jar. Clean it thoroughly, then wrap the outside with lace, twine, or a simple ribbon. Add a battery-operated candle inside, and suddenly you have a charming Christmas lantern. For an upscale finish, surround several jars with pine branches and warm white lights. Grouped together, they create effortless table decor. Before throwing away shipping boxes, save the cardboard. Cut simple tree silhouettes, layer several pieces together, and cover them with textured fabric, craft paper, or leftover wrapping paper. Add subtle ornaments and a dusting of faux snow. Display different heights together on a mantle or console. The result feels like boutique Christmas styling, proving inexpensive materials can still look beautifully sophisticated. That worn-out sweater sitting in your closet may have one more holiday season left. Cut small sections from the fabric and transform them into decorative pillow covers, candle wraps, or mini stockings. Choose neutral creams, soft greens, or classic red patterns for a timeless appearance. Texture instantly makes a room feel warmer, nostalgic, and intentionally decorated for Christmas without buying everything new. An old thrift store frame can become surprisingly elegant Christmas artwork. Remove the outdated picture, then insert a simple holiday printable, vintage botanical illustration, or handwritten Christmas message. Paint the frame if necessary, keeping imperfections for character. Arrange several frames together on a mantle or gallery wall. This simple transformation creates a collected, designer-inspired look while celebrating the charm of vintage pieces. The magic of Christmas decorating isn't about buying more. It's about seeing potential in what you already have. A jar, sweater, cardboard box, or forgotten frame can become something beautiful with patience and imagination. So before shopping for new decorations, look around your home first. Grandma's Rustic Nest believes the most meaningful Christmas treasures are often the ones we create ourselves.